Dana, welcome back to the VCS Salon and Spa. I see that you're here to see Colleen today. Hi Dana, welcome to the VCS. Come on back. So Dana, tell me what you don't like about your hair right now.
Oh, well right now it's so dry and it keeps getting all ratted up. I think the lighting in here makes it look worse.
The ends are really nice and I have some nice light highlights.
When I style it, I like to wear it curly.
I do like the length. I'd like to
Oh my
keep
gosh,
it.
her hair is a mess. What am I gonna do? Oh boy. That 21 Pureology spray, holy cow, that is gonna do some wonders in her hair.
Wow, I don't like the way that I look in this case. She makes it look so easy. I feel old. I wish she could come to my house and do this in the morning. These curls do make me look younger. I like that. Now if they could just make me look thinner. I look fabulous. I'm so glad I tried this new salon.
There's a designer waiting for you at VCS Salon and Spa.